Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can search for inspiration in the LEROY MERLIN app. But first I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. How to make money online. So let's jump into it. Open the LEROY MERLIN app. Then tap on inspiration on the bottom second icon, and here you tap on select the filters. You can select categories, for example painting or garden, warming tools. For example, I am choosing garden. And you can select an inspirational product or a tutorial or some DIY. I'm selecting the DIY. Then I will have these things, and if I tap on for this table, for example, then here you will see some pictures. You can see the materials what you will need for this project, then some ideas and instructions. So that's pretty much for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one.